Yes, friends. Uh, so far, we have started a talk regarding an amplifier, specifically for an emitter configuration. And now today we are going to take very important parameters of any amplifier, and that is the bandwidth. Here, this bandwidth that notice not in terms of the data rate generally used as a part of the computer engineering. Here, that is the range of the frequency which will be the properly amplified. Here it is not a difference of the upper cutoff frequency and the lower cutoff frequency, but how we will get that the lower cutoff frequency and the upper cutoff frequency. For that, we will plot a frequency response. So in case of the frequency response, what we will understood, what we will understood that if we change the frequency, definitely the frequency of output will be changed. If we change the shape of the input, the shape of output will be changed. If we take the case of the amplitude of output, the time that depends on the gain as well as the amplitude of input. But yes, you will and we will see that how amplitude is a function of the frequency of input. So the gain of my amplifier is a function of the frequency also. And if we plot a graph of frequency versus gain may be in terms of dB, gain in dB like 20 log gain, and we will have such kind of initially rising, means increase the gain, then we have a constant gain, and on later stage we have a fall of gain. What are the responsible parameters for fall of gain at low frequency as well as the high frequency, that we will see, and how we will decide the upper cutoff frequency and lower cutoff frequency. So if we have a gain is a ratio of output to input, that the 70.7% of the mid-band gain or the maximum gain, and that line will intersect our frequency response at two different points, lower frequency FL at high frequency, that is the FH. So this range of FL to FH, that is a bandwidth. If your gain is in terms of dB, that time maximum gain in dB minus 3, we will draw a line once again that will intersect the frequency response, and we have a FL and FH. So that range from FL to FH, that is nothing but the bandwidth. What does it mean? If my frequency of input is less than FL or greater than FH, it is not expected that will amplify the signal properly. So this is very important parameter, because if we take the case of the audio amplifier, then the range of frequency is 20 to 20 kilohertz. So my bandwidth should be greater than 20 to 20 kilohertz. Same way for the video amplifier or another application as well. So we will try to understand this for the next session. So thank you.